some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is being awesome.
Now, walk into the club like, what up? I got a big. I'm just pumped. I bought some from a thrift shop.
This is Marty McFly here with
Mad Dog, and this is your weekly announcements. On Monday, there is a conference cross-country meet at Ellsbury and a JV football game here versus Montgomery.
Tuesday. There is
Nothing. So on Wednesday, in case you weren't happy with the first school picture you took, you can get your picture retaken on Wednesday.
Thursday. We are having an early out from school, and then at 3:30, 6:30, there's parent-teacher conferences.
On Friday, there is no school.
So, if you want to, you can go to the cross-country meet here at the fairgrounds. Starts at 4 o'clock.
Yeah, and that concludes your weekly announcements. Have a great week.
What?